much.
From his first day in office, U.S. President Donald Trump has made clear he really likes tariffs.
A tariff of 10% on China. Thinking in terms of 25% on Mexico. We're going to charge them 20%. Because without the tariffs, our nation would be imperiled.
His administration has invoked a law from 1977 that they believe means they can levy tariffs on any product from any country in any amount and for any reason. Many asked, can they do that? Now the U.S. Supreme Court is set to decide. As expected, the liberal justices expressed doubt because no other president has used this law like this.
And yet, many presidents have not used regulate in this way to impose tariffs.
But most experts were watching the conservative justices, who make up the majority of the court, and at least 3 expressed concern in their questions.
The vehicle is imposition of taxes on Americans, and that has always been the core power of Congress.
So Congress, as a practical matter, can't get this power back once it's handed it over to the president. It's a one-way ratchet toward the gradual but continual accretion of power in the executive branch and away from the people's elected representatives.
For his part, President Trump has repeatedly warned of dire consequences if the court rules against him.
I think it's the most important decision, one of the most important decisions in the history of our country. Because without tariffs, without our being able to use tariffs freely, openly, and in every way, we really would suffer tremendously from a national security standpoint.
If the court rules against him, it will mean he can still use tariffs, but for a limited amount and time. If the majority of the 9 justices rule for the president, he can continue to use tariffs at will, potentially impacting not just American consumers and companies, but everyone hoping to do any business in the United States. Patty Culhane, Al Jazeera, Washington.
Don't miss out, get the full picture. Subscribe to Al Jazeera for reliable news and expert insights. Like, share, stay ahead.